In this video, I will share with you Top 5 Best Blenders in 2024. Number 1. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. Pros: powerful motor, self-cleaning, smart features, long warranty. Cons: expensive, large, and bulky. The Vitamix A3500 is a top-of-the-line blender that can handle just about anything you throw at it, from pulverizing ice to making hot soups. It has a self-cleaning cycle that makes cleanup a breeze, and its smart features allow you to control the blend remotely or create custom programs. However, it is also one of the most expensive blenders on the market, and its large size may not be suitable for all kitchens. Number 2. NutriBullet Blender Combo. Pros: affordable, compact, versatile. Cons: not as powerful as some other blenders, small containers. The NutriBullet Blender Combo is a great option for those who are looking for an affordable and versatile blender. It comes in 2 containers, a tall cup for smoothies and shakes, and a shorter cup for grinding and chopping. It's also relatively compact, making it easy to store. However, it is not as powerful as some other blenders on the market, and its small containers may not be large enough for some tasks. Number 3. Breville the Fresh and Furious Countertop Blender. Pros: powerful motor, variable speeds, ice-crushing capabilities. Cons: expensive, noisy. The Breville the Fresh and Furious Countertop Blender is a powerful blender that can crush ice with ease. It has a variety of variable speeds to give you precise control over your blends, and its large container is perfect for making big batches. However, it is also one of the most expensive blenders on the market, and it can be quite noisy when in use. Number 4. Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender. Pros: powerful motor, quiet operation, sleek design. Cons: expensive, limited container size. The Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender is a high-end blender that boasts a powerful motor and quiet operation. It has a sleek design that will look great on any countertop, and its container is large enough to handle most tasks. However, it is also one of the most expensive blenders on the market, and its container is not as large as some other models. Number 5. KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender. Pros: affordable, durable, versatile. Cons: not as powerful as some other blenders, plastic container. The KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender is a good option for those who are looking for an affordable and versatile blender. It has a variety of variable speeds to give you control over your blends, and its large container is perfect for making big batches. However, it is not as powerful as some other blenders on the market, and its container is made of plastic, which may not be as durable as glass.